Hi, good evening. My name is Ilani Haro. Today is Wednesday, November the 21st, and this is for Bio 225. So today, this video talks about the biochemical testing for microbial identification in a methyl red, Vox Prosciutors, and catalase testing. So this is 48 hours after I already started the experiment. So 2 days ago we got cultures for E. coli and S. epidermidis. So we have the tubes here, and we let them incubate for about 48 hours to see if there's any cultures growing in it. And then so today is the 48 hours. I checked, and then they both seemed kind of cloudy. Cultures. So now I did the methyl red test on each of the cultures. We used the methyl red. Let me show you guys. Methyl red here. We poured a few drops in there in the culture to see if there was any changes on the cultures or the color or anything of that sort. So once we did it on the E. coli and the S. epidermis, this is the S. epidermis, so it stayed red. It did not turn pink, and you can see the bottom. That's what it looked like before I poured it in. See, and it looks like there's something more in there, if you can't really tell from here. But that's one. And this is E. coli. It also stayed red, I think, but there's more of the redness on here than the other one. Earlier when I first poured it, it was half red, and then the other one was cloudy, and then on the top you can see a little bit of something, little things floating around. So that one they both stayed red pretty much. And then for the Vox Prosciutors test, we used the Barrett A and Barrett B reagent. So this is A and B. So for the A, we used 12 drops on the other test tubes, and then for Barrett's B, we used 4 drops. And then for this one, we have to wait a little bit more. We have to wait about 30 minutes. So you can kind of see there's a difference on the E. coli. This is E. coli here. It's less cloudy than the S. epidermidis. So we still have to wait about 30 more minutes to see if there's any more of a difference. And then after 30 minutes, we see if there's any color changes. And then we also did the catalase testing. That one I did it 2 days ago. And then for the E. coli one, I did see bubbles forming on the slide, and then in the middle of the slide actually. And in the S. epidermidis, there was no bubbles at all, so that gives us a negative result, as opposed to the E. coli, which gave us a positive. I'm gonna flip the camera over, see if you can see my documentation on the lab. Can't really see the pictures, but on the top in the middle, that's where I saw the bubbles forming. And actually saw the bubbles forming right away, so that was pretty cool. But so that concludes the end of this lab for today, for right now, until the 30 minutes. And then once I see any color change after 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and document it onto my lab assistant, and then go from there. So now we're going to do another experiment in another video. Thank you.